Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to play the missed call solo on electric guitar. We'll begin by understanding the solo's overall structure and key elements. This solo features several iconic licks that require precision and feel. We'll break down the essential techniques and then go through the solo section by section. By the end, you'll have a clear roadmap to mastering this fantastic piece. To truly nail the missed call solo, you'll need to focus on a few core techniques. String bending is crucial for achieving the vocal-like quality of many phrases, often bending up a whole step or a half step. Combine this with a controlled vibrato to add emotion. Smooth hammer-ons and pull-offs will ensure your legato passages flow seamlessly, while precise alternate picking will give clarity to the faster runs. Let's break down the solo into three main sections. The opening phrase often starts around the 12th fret, featuring a signature bend and release. The middle section introduces more intricate arpeggiated licks and sustained bends, requiring careful finger placement. Finally, the solo concludes with a faster, descending run that demands clean alternate picking and precise timing to execute perfectly. Consistent practice is key to mastering this solo. Start slowly with a metronome, gradually increasing the tempo as your accuracy improves. Record yourself playing and listen back critically. This helps pinpoint any timing issues or unclear notes. Also, listen intently to the original recording to internalize the feel, dynamics, and subtle nuances that make the solo truly shine. Dedicate at least 15 minutes daily.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.